So hello guys, welcome to SB2. So as I said in my last video that I'll be making a detailed video on how to make a one-page website for free without any coding. So here is it for you. So as you can see over here, so I made this website called Smart Foodie. The link is given in the description. It's a one-button website, and on clicking on that button, you'll be redirected to a Typeform website. So wherein you can put down your details so that the people from that particular company can contact you. So if you're wondering how to create a typeform like this, I'll be making the next video on this. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. So now we will be starting to make that website. For that, type card.co. So here are some pro plans over here. You can choose them, or you can also use the free version. In the free version you can make 3 websites. So yeah, I am using the free version right now. Use any of the templates from so many templates out over here. I chose this template. Now we will be making changes to this website and customize it according to our needs. So first we will be changing the background picture. For that I will be clicking that upload button and selecting an image and just crop the portion I want. So I want the whole image. So I will be selecting and the whole image is being set in the background. And now you can customize this green color to any color you want. So since the background is a bit dark, so I'll be changing it to some shade of black, and I will be changing this title, and then I will be changing this text also. So now you can change this text also and the description text also. I'll be keeping it for now. I don't want to change it. And now you can customize this button. So on clicking on this label, you can change the text on the button. For now I'll be keeping it as get in touch. And over here in this URL part, you have to put a URL. So on clicking on that button, people will be redirected to that URL. So I have currently opened a Typeform. I'll be showing it in the next video how to create a typeform, and I've copied the URL from there and pasted it. Now I'll be customizing this button. So I have changed the hover to green, means on hovering over that button the color will be changing to green. You can add a button also. For now I'll be keeping only one button only. This looks cool. So now we'll be publishing our site, and we can publish it for free. Now in this title part, give the name accordingly, which will be shown at the top of the tab. So check whether that, now check the domain whether it's available or not. So I have clicked demo 17, so it's available. And now just click publish and it will be published onto the internet. I'll be putting the link down to my website. You can check how it is done. So now clicking on this will be redirected to our web page. So here is it. Now on clicking on this get in touch button, we'll be redirected to this Typeform, and now we can put our data in it so that the person who is on the other end gets to know all about this and contacts us. So in this way you can create web pages like this for free and very fast. So it hardly takes 3 to 5 minutes to create pages like this, and it's very easy. You don't need any coding, it's just drag and drop. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your friends so that they can also know about this, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.